Hey guys, Bill from Rev, and we're going to teach you guys how to use microclean today to clean your microfiber towels. Now I have all my microfiber towels here. Some people like to color code them or color sort them out. I don't, I just throw them all together. And depending on how heavy your load is, it requires you to put more than maybe 2 to 3 ounces in there. Now this one is 1 ounce per small load. This one, from what I'm seeing, is probably 3 loads, so I'll put anywhere between 3 to 4 ounces for maximum cleaning power. Remember to always wash it with cold water so it doesn't shrink with your towel.
Right. This large, I need to use at least 2 washers, just so I want to be able to clean them all. If you stuff them all into 1 washer, you're not going to be able to clean it as well as if you were to split it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split half of that into 1 washer and the other half in the other washer. So this is how big the load we have here. It's probably like 100 to 200 towels. So let's get this started. I have half a load here and a half a load here. For a load like this, I would put anywhere between 2 to 3 ounces. Same thing, 2 to 3 ounces on each side. So for this load, we're gonna add 2 to 3 ounces. It's 1 ounce per small load. This is somewhat of a medium load. So we're gonna add 3 ounces here is fine. So I like to go 1,000 to 1,000. 1, 2. It's always important to remember to do not wash it with hot water. You can wash it with delicate code or with normal warm, but never hot water, as hot water will actually burn the microfiber and make it useless. All right guys, so I'm not sure if you felt those microfibers that's really like hard, but that's what happens when you use hot water. Always use delicate coat or normal warm. Look at this guy, good as new. Now we're gonna dry it on medium heat and we should be okay. Medium heat. And start.